present over here. Myself, Arya Tambe from grade 8, standing before you to lead today's morning assembly by Valmiki House. Let's give an amazing start to today's day. Okay, but what day is today? So, I would like to call Sharon Devkure from grade 1st to tell today's day and date.
Good morning all of you. My name is Shraddha. I am studying in 12th standard. I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Thursday. Today's day is 5th September 2024. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Sharon. Now, new day comes with new strength, new opportunities and new thoughts. So, I would like to call Sayam Nata from grade 2nd to tell today's thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sayam Nata from 2nd standard. So, today I am here to tell today's good thought. So, the good thought of the day is unless you dream, you cannot achieve. Meaning, dreaming is the first step towards achieving something. It sets the direction and motivation for your efforts. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Sayam. Every day has its own special history. Every day is special on its own. So, I would like to call Riya Naik from grade 8 to tell today's day of history.
Morning, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Riya Naik. I am learning in grade 8. Today I am going to tell you today's history of the day. Today's history of the day. First, Dr. Radhakrishna's birthday in 1962. Second, Teachers' Day. Third, International Day of Charity. Fourth, Zero Waste Week. Thank you.
Thank you, Riya. News are the mirror of society. News tells us what is happening around us. So, I would like to call Krishnaraj Kopitkar from grade 8.
A very pleasant morning to respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and my all dear friends. Myself Krishnaraj Kopitkar, standing before you to present today's news headlines. First, G20 Summit 2023 in New Delhi occurs in the Supreme Court in Metro Station. Second, IMD presented heavy rainfall in many states. Third, ISRO scientists and Vadarmati, the voice behind the Chandrayaan 3 launch countdown had passed. Fourth, India played against Nepal in the second match of Asia Cup 2023. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Krishnaraj. We should know how to speak English effectively and impressively. To introduce today's new idiom to us, I would like to call Keshav Mohta from grade 8.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Keshav Rajkumar Mohta. I will tell you today's idiom. Today's idiom is by hook or crook. It means at any cost sentence. I will crack my exam by hook or crook. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Keshav. We should not stop learning. Now here comes Swanandi Mari from grade 4 to tell today's new word, that is vocabulary of the day.
Good morning everyone. Myself Swanandi Mari. Grade 4. I am going to tell today's vocabulary. Vocabulary is grofer. It means person who run, irabal, sentence. I am hunting for a grofer. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Swanandi. Now it's time to wrap up our assembly. I declare today's assembly is over. Thank you and have a nice day, wonderful.